around them because it's an indicator of environment health. We thought we found quite a few diverse butterflies, but then we hear from one of the workers that apparently 5 years ago there were so much more. It's helpful to know and helpful to compare data over the years.
It gets you involved with the community, helps the environment, and it educates everybody, young and old.
Our community, we're all in it. It affects all of us, and I think for everyone and younger people, this is something everyone should pay attention to.